What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie coming at you live from my kitchen, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about my garden greens. They are like a really great producing crop. I mean, I look at the size of those, like Jurassic Park looking greens, man. Let's see, let's get a bigger one over here. I mean, but they're great, and I can pick like these greens like, I don't know, once a week. So there's a lot that can be done with them. Now, one thing I've noticed in my garden is that sometimes my greens are getting eaten by some creature. I figured out the other day when I was washing some that it is a small little green worm. You can see the little holes in there, and ate the leaf. Anyway, it's a little green worm, and I found out using AI that it is a moth worm. There's several ways to get rid of them. I'm choosing the all-natural way and just pick them off. So I just inspect my greens every time I go out in the garden now. Not a big deal, right? Anyway, so basically what I do when I pick them from the garden and I come inside and I'll wash them in the sink, and then I'll lay them out to dry. And then next, I'm going to show you how I process them to make a stir fry, which is my most favorite thing to make using my greens. What is happening, party people? So now I'm going to show you what I do with the greens. So basically what I do is I'll cut the stems out, and we'll save these stems because what we like to do is we like to put these in a saline solution and ferment them, and they're real yummy and crisp. Now I'm going to get me a Ziploc bag to put these greens in. Got me a Ziploc bag right here, put the greens in. And I'm just going to continue to cut these greens and take the stems out like that, see? And then what I'll do is I will roll them up like such, and I'll chop them and just put them in the bag. And later on, I will make a stir-fry recipe. And I'm going to show you my stir-fry recipe in another video. So I hope you like my content. If you do, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out and thanks.